guys, I'm Aurora, and today I'm going to revise together with you and have fun the parts of the body, the colors, the clothes, and the plurals, okay? So I chose to print Peter Pan, and I'm gonna color his body, okay? So let's start. I'm gonna color the cappello hat in brown, marrone. So I'm not gonna color all his body in the original colors, okay? And I'm gonna teach you some more things, okay, that you didn't know. So then I'm gonna color the puma, that's feather, in pink. So let's color it. Then I didn't teach you the sword, and it's spada, and I'm gonna color it in black, okay? Nero, okay, spada. Then I'm gonna color his hair in blue, capelli, okay? Okay, so in this lesson you learned spada, that's swords, and puma, that's feather, okay? Then I'm gonna color his face, faccia, in pink. So in the head we have orecchie, occhi, naso, e bocca, okay? And I already taught you the plurals in the other lesson, okay? So I'm gonna color all his face. And then we're gonna color the occhi, that's eyes, in green, verde, so occhi verdi, because there's the plural. Then there's bocca, that's mouth, and I'm gonna color it rosso, red, okay? So like this. Then I'm gonna color the dress, that's verde, green, okay, I'm done with the dress, and now I'm gonna color the collo, that in pink, rosa, that's neck. Collo is neck, okay? Then in pink, rosa, I'm gonna color the arms, braccia, mani, hands, and dita, fingers. And obviously all in pink. So I'm coloring the skin all in pink. Then I'm gonna color the shoes scarpe in viola. That's purple. I didn't teach you viola in the last lesson, but today you learned feather, piuma, sword, spada, and viola. Okay? And the plural of scarpa, because we have 2 feet, so 2 shoes, is scarpe, okay? So we have braccia, that's the plural, or braccio in singular, and occhi. And if you want to learn all the parts of the body, you can go in the other video and you can see it. So then I'm gonna color the legs. So in rosa, gambe, okay? And gamba is in the singular and gambe is in the plural. Okay, I'm done. Okay, so put a thumbs up if you liked the video and remember, verde, bianco, rosso. Bye!